Okay, today we're going to use a cowbell rig. This is called Baby Cowbell. It's made by Lee Davis. We use it up here on the rim to fish at all different depths. The cowbell, or the baby cowbell, basically acts as an attractor for the fish. And we'll go ahead and put some fluorocarbon line on it to attach the leader and attach the bait. But first we're going to go ahead and attach the main line on the reel and rod to the cowbell. This is 8-pound test braided line. Stronger, more sensitive, has less stretch. So let's tie it on. We're going to use a Palomar knot to make this tie attachment to the cowbell. So we'll go ahead and make that Palomar knot here really quick. Before you snug it down, you want to be sure and moisten it so the line doesn't fray. Then we give it a couple overhand knots just to lock it into place. The advantage of the braided line is you get a stronger line, smaller diameter, and it therefore transmits any bite that you get from the fish up the line because it's much more sensitive and there's less stretch, so it's easier to set the hook. After we get that attached, we go ahead and take some fluorocarbon line anywhere from 6 inches to 18 inches, add a number 6 mosquito hook on it, and take that mosquito hook and take the barb and take it about 10 degrees off the center with needle nose. What that does is ensure a better hook set when the trout bites the bait. We tip this off with a night crawler, inflate the tail of the night crawler so that as the reflectors and fluorescence go through the water and attract the fish, then that tail of the fish, or the bait, the worm, will go ahead and wobble more freely because we've inflated the tail, thusly giving the worm more alive act, increasing the number of fish that you catch that day. We're at Woods Canyon Lake. It's about 7 o'clock in the morning. The water's calm. The fish have gone deep. So what we're doing is we're setting up a baby cowbell rig with about a 2-foot leader of fluorocarbon line. We're going to use a small number 18 treble hook. We're going to put a night crawler on that, leave about 1 inch of the tail off, and we're going to go ahead and inflate that tail so it gives us more action in the water while we're moving in the water. Since the fish have gone down to 10 to 12 feet deep and even deeper, we've got to get down to where the fish are at. So this is the rig we're going to use, and we hope to be successful with it. So let's go. Okay, this is the baby cowbell we rigged up yesterday. Take a night crawler, feed up this hook. What you want to do is crisscross that hook through the body. We left about 1.5 inches of it for a good wiggle as we go through the water. This bait will stay alive for probably 15 or 20 minutes if it doesn't get snapped first. So